So today we are going to solve some basic differentiation. So here three example. So number 1, x square minus 2bx plus c. So let y equal x square minus 2bx plus c. So now we are going to differentiate this math with respect to x. So d by dx x square minus 2bx plus c. So if we here a x square, so x square is variable here and a is constant. So if variable multiply with constant, that time constant will unchange. Constant just copy and x square differentiate, we get 2x. Like we have a formula x to the power n. If we differentiate x to the power n with respect to x, we get n power n front side and n minus 1 and power n reduce 1. So if we differentiate x square, power front side x 2 minus 1, like 2x. So x square differentiate 2x minus minus. So here 2b is constant and x is variable. So constant term always be copy. So 2b, and if we differentiate x with respect to x, we get just 1 and plus plus, and c is constant here. So constant, if constant is single, that time it will be 0. But when constant multiply with variable, that time constant copy and differentiate variable. Okay. So 2ax minus 2b, 2 common ax minus b. So this is the result of this math. So now we are going to solve example number 2. Let y equal x to the power 9 plus x to the power 3 x to the power 6. So if we differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx equal d by dx x to the power 9 3 6. So before differentiate, we have to calculating this math. We can write x to the power 9 x to the power 6 plus 3 x to the power 6. X to the power 9 minus 6 using indices. Now we are going to differentiate this term with respect to x. If we differentiate x cube, we get 3x square. And if we differentiate plus plus, if we differentiate x inverse 3, we get like d by dx x inverse 3. So we have a formula x to the power n. Using this formula, we can solve like front side power is front side, power is x minus 3 and x and reduce 1 power and reduce 1 power minus 3 reduce 1. So we get minus 3 4. Okay. So x cube differentiate with respect to x, we get 3x square, and x inverse 3 differentiate with respect to x, we get minus 3 x inverse 4. 3x square plus minus 3 x to the power 4. So this is the answer of this math. And next 3. So question number 3 is x square minus 5 power 2. So let y equal x square minus 5 square. So we have to differentiate this term with respect to x. So d by dx y d by dx x square minus 5 power 2. And first time we have to imagine that this term is x. Okay, this term is x and power 2. So normally if we differentiate with respect to x square, if we differentiate x square with respect to x, we can write 2x. Okay, so this time, first time we can imagine that this is x term, whole term is x, and power 2. So whole term is x and power 2. So x square. So x square means 2x. X square differentiate with respect to x, we get 2x. 2x. X means the whole term. Okay. So x square minus 5. So we can think that is this really x? No, it is not really x. It is x square minus 5. So this is not really x. So we have to differentiate it again. Okay. X square minus 5. So 2x square minus 5, just copy, and x square, if we differentiate x square with respect to x, we get 2x. And if we differentiate minus, this is constant term 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is so 5 is constant. So constant term, if we differentiate constant term with respect to x, we get 0. So 2x square minus 5 into 2x, and 2x square minus 5 into 0. So 2 to 4x square minus 5, and 0 multiply with this term, get 0, and 4x square, 4x multiply with x square, we get 4x cube, and 4 multiply with 5 minus 4 multiply with 5, we get 20, and x is x. So this is the result of this math. Thank you.